How to see seconds on iPhone clock. In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you the only way you could actually see seconds on your iPhone clock. So the one I would actually recommend is to just go ahead and open your browser. When you open your browser, guys, just go ahead and search for this website called time.is. As you can see, guys, it's showing me the exact time and seconds. However, it is actually possible for you to use your iPhone to see the exact seconds. So let me just go ahead and show you. Let me show you this, guys. So if you go to your clock section, the application your clock, if you look for your clock icon, guys, of your app, you're going to be seeing, if you just look ahead, so just go ahead and zoom in your eyes, or just go ahead and look. As you can see, the red one is moving, guys, so that's the second. That represents the second. So as you can see, that's the exact time that is showing right there, guys. So the exact second, so it's going to be moving based on seconds. So as you can see, guys, it's going to iPhone actually program the app to show you the exact time, the exact second. So if you don't want to use this, you can just go ahead and download an application. I'm sure there's an application. If you go to your app store, just go ahead and search for exact time, and then go ahead and search it. When you search it, guys, as you can see, you can go ahead and use this application here called the exact time. So it's going to be showing you the exact time and second on your phone. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.